Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm not using my puppets because I haven't used them all day. So yeah. But I'm gonna show you my new fidgets. So first, I got my ASMR. What's it called? Bar. This one.
Excuse me.
My butt's stuck. Ow, ow, ow.
No, it was just because of that.
Mm-hmm.
Why'd you cover it then?
Because
Just because I said my butt stuck.
this, yeah, we did go to school today. That's why I went to rest. I'm not scared. I saw my cute boyfriend. Anyway, so I have, the reason I know which one's upside down and which one's not is because there's a little face right here, 2 eyes and a mouth, and the eyes have to be facing this way, and there is a smile and it has to be facing that way. Can't be down, it has to be, and it's pretty easy to do with one hand.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's not that hard to do with one hand, but it kind of is.
I don't like that fidget bar.
Why?
I don't know.
It says that treadmill. But I'm getting more, and I can't wait to go to my nana because I think I'm gonna go to Walmart, and hopefully they have fidget toys there. Hopefully they have like mini puppets, cause like I gotta want one. And then we're gonna go to their Target too, another because yeah, we just want.
I might mama when we're up there. Oh, if me and her can go out to eat, we can go to like Target or.
This is my snake. I got me a red snake. I was gonna get a green one, but I figured out like I needed the red one, and I couldn't make a video on it because they won't. And next is this is what everybody has. I feel like everybody has this. Not everybody. This, and I love it. Like my favorite. It's just like a tangle and a wacky shot together. This together makes this. Except that there's like a string in it that like stretches them, and there's like crystal blocks. Hallelujah! 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 I love this wacky shot. I thought wacky shots would make more noise, but they really don't.
Somebody give me some ice cream.
Huh?
My dough ball.
Let me show. So she has this one, and it's a neato. And it's a groovy one, so there's no color change.
Groovy.
I don't know, but it's groovy. If it has no color changing, it's groovy. But this one's a color changing one.
It won't stick to the ceiling like I.
Mine will, because it's a color changing. And look how dirty it is. She just saw hers. It's these come.
Do you think I should eat strawberry or vanilla?
Vanilla.
Okay.
So this is like my favorite out of probably the favorite out of all that I got. But I love this snake. I've never had a snake before, and I'm like, okay, since I have a white track and I'm saying, well, I probably need a snake, and I'm like, I really want to think that's like my dream
I
fidget.
wonder what sweet cream is.
What is sweet cream?
I can't think of what it is. It sounds good.
I think I don't know. But like I've been thinking like this, my dream fidget to have a snake because I like everybody has a snake, and I'm like, I have a wacky track and a tingle. Like, why don't I have a snake? You know, I was thinking, I really need this, and I really want one. And I thought they were homemade at first. I thought people can like make these homemade. But I was like, people homemade these? But no, they really don't. Literally, I found this at Walmart, and then I found this at Walmart, and I found this at Walmart. So, oh, and like a heart. It's cute.
I'm not sad if I can have ice cream before I actually have it.
Okay, I'm so excited because, y'all are gonna, like, why'd you get it? I got an avocado popsicle, and I've been trying to get it out, but I'm like, oh, God. I'm thinking, like, oh, trying to take this mochi off. I really want to, but I love this because I'm probably gonna use it. I don't really use that one a lot, but I'm probably gonna use it a lot now because I have a pop socket. So like, I don't know, but if I ever need it,
so lucky I knew you were recording. I'm gonna sing a song.
There's no fire when my avocado pipes are okay. I want you to look at it thoroughly. I put it in there without. Away. Can you please stop? There's a puppet on the floor, Lainey. Get it off the floor.
My fingers are busy.
Do I like you? I'm not supposed to like you. I don't really think that this is a good fidget so I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell all my fidgets. I'm literally gonna sell all my fidgets, including my puppets. So stay tuned, cause I'm literally gonna sell my fidgets, and I think people are gonna come because they love fidgets. Like you can get them like. I have an airball. I think somebody would want an airball. Like somebody would want to try a fidget. Everybody would want a fidget bag. No, who doesn't? We used to have the fidget cube and we loved the fidget cubes. And we would get them mixed up because we had the kind of same ones. We had the same. Lainey, didn't we have the same fidget cubes?
What?
Didn't we have the exact same fidget cubes like everybody?
Yes.
We literally did. And we would always get them mixed up and we would yell at each other just because we would think that they were ours. So yeah, we didn't do anything about it. I love my snake. I want like a tiny snake. But I'm getting more of these. And I saw like a giant thing of it. The giant ones. If nobody... Okay. So I made my own song, y'all. Hopefully. I love that song. And I hug you, but I can't cause when I'm married. That's what I made. I don't know if I'm gonna sing it or not. Like, I don't know. I wanna love you and hug you, but I can't cause when I'm married. I'll sing it. Yes, I wanna love you and hug you, but I can't cause when I'm married. Hey, oh, what's that?
Something from Mom.
Did you just throw that thing away from Mom?
No, it's vitamins probably. Oh, it's fitness vitamins.
That's all it is.
I can see the one.
The Claudia's.
I said fitness vitamins.
No, Dad said something
Yeah,
about this
D
Claudia.
to fit.
You're messing with batteries.
Me.
Then you want to throw the controllers away?
Oh, What? What is
Let's put
what
it in the
fidgets are
hole
really
camera.
worth it?
I got no film.
Yes. What's not?
What my little one was?
Is that not in there right now?
I gave it to you.
I should be.
My glove.
You found your globule?
No, you knocked it down.
How did I knock a globule down? I was literally right here the whole time.
Okay, can you make? I'm sorry. Okay, so I have my blue.
Please make sure you clean up after yourself, okay? Like,
I got it, Dad. I got it.
Do not mess with her.
boy, you recording?
Yes.
Duh.
Oh God, you're just gonna see yourself on YouTube now.
Slither, I'm a snake. Slither, I'm a
I'm gonna
snake.
cut grass in just a minute, but first I'm gonna run the tractor supply. Does anybody want to ride?
I have ice cream.
Okay. Oh, that's Landon. Landon.
Does it look for an invisible fence?
I'm gonna go look at it. Landon, you got to ride the tractor supply? Huh? Okay.
Lame, damn. I would if I didn't eat. I wasn't eating.
Me too, if I wasn't recording. Lainey got TikTok.
Oh, this is YouTube. See?
What?
No, she doesn't. It's a joke.
I know she does.
Exactly.
Oh, no, TikTok. He's like, what? It's like, chung, chung, ching, chung. It was like, He's like, you. Okay, I'm gonna put wacky truck. This is coming.
Actually, walkie truck. Okay.
I'm gonna put all the long things together. So here we go. Like to right here, because I have.
Hi. Wait. I'll be right there. Wait, I'm trying to scoot over. I'm just turned backwards now.
Are you getting your ice cream? My snake!
My nails.
Well, this is a long thing. Not really that, but it's long. This is a. Put the back in there.
I want to try to make a shape.
Oh, you're putting it back in there. Long things. I have a load of long things. So it's kind of.
Where's your other one?
Oh, what? I think it's in here somewhere. I'll just.
Why don't you keep them together?
Because I won't. Oh, there it is. They won't stay that.
They'll stick to that though.
No, you gotta squish them together. No, it's not what I mean. God. There you go. Pull them apart. Okay. Next.
Talking mushrooms.
This is just a video thing, so it's not really long. It's short. This. I thought this was long. You look at a snake. Yeah.
Well, let me straighten it out.
Size, compare it, and put it on the ground. Way taller. I'm gonna put goat cheese in one. Double. Okay, don't put it in there. Uno. Not taste good. If you want to know what I said this did not taste good. I just scratched myself. No, it's fine. Cheese mostly really gets to know me. They have to be like in bowl formed, but they don't really have to be like. They just have to be quite cheap. I'm gonna go what?
I was so face. It was like touching the back of these teeth.
One.
Mama.
What's up?
No, Mom.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
She's literally eating Takis.
What?
And she's eating Takis. What? She doesn't.
How are they hot to me?
They're not.
Yes, they are. They are very. Okay, got all my cheese on pile. Okay. It's football. It's not even a football. I'm so dumb. I'm not gonna print it. Oh, what's my pink marble mash? Yeah, that's a problem, kind of. So finding a pink marble mesh isn't a problem at all.
Why'd you pressure me?
You have your own.
It's not on my own.
I usually put it with squishy, but I did try and gosh. Where the flip is my pinks? I'm gonna put my pants. It has to be in the camper. It has to be in the camper. Has to be. Because I brought my pink marble mesh and then my pink slime.
I don't see it. I didn't know it. How do you have 3 marbles? You only have 4 poppets. right over my head.
You.
Where are you? All I was, where are you? Mm.
No, you gotta sit over there if you're gonna do a dance.
But you can't get copyrighted for dance.
I know what you're trying to do. Is it?
Mm-mm.
Oh,
No, it's.
oh. Bye!
Shut up! Mama? No, Mom. Or Dad.
Things. For sure. Too many. Do I have too many? I don't think I have too many fidgets. Do I? Do I have too many fidgets?
What?
Do I have too many fidgets?
No.
Yeah, I know. Lego. Okay, guys, so putting them all back in, and I didn't do my Cheeto old smelling plate. Not plate. Cheeto old smelling song.
Mom? Nope.
Why? It's not even time for mom.
Yes, she will. It's 4:55.
She comes home at 5.
She usually comes home at this time.
There she doesn't. And me.
Look, guys, look how good my iPhone looks.
It doesn't.
Mother?
You literally just looked for like 5 seconds ago. 5 seconds ago. And What are you doing? That's illegal. Are you blaming?
I'm literally dancing.
That's not a good thing. I am not with you. That's you! It's you. It's you. Can you stop? It's you. Sit down because it's you. You're literally making that.
Look how creamy it looks, y'all.
Creamy, creamy, creamy. Creamy, creamy.
Alright.
Fedre. What? My gleeball! Can you get it?
Where are you, Mom?
You're giving coffee, right?
Unless it was where are you, Mother? I'm just gonna like.
You're twerking on the kitchen bench. What were you supposed to
I
be
was trying to go like this, but like this foot went.
Clap your hands. If you're happy. I hear coins. Sit down. Sit on my. I know. Get
I
out.
knew it was right there. I could feel it on my butt.
I know. You flexer.
Gosh!
Ah! Ow! I don't even know this happening.
girl. That's what my friend's nickname for me is. Squid.
You're not a squid. I literally forgot about this.
The time I'm not gonna look, Mom's gonna be home. Oh, what? Look,
She's home. That's just a golf cart. I know, I was like, too.
She can cuss.
No,
She just did.
I shouldn't.
I was right. She did cuss. Now move.
They don't even know who you're talking about.
I don't even know her name.
I do. Her name's Gabby.
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 Put her, bad Gabby, look her up. Mom? No, no. Ow! Mom! Not like that. Let's go time play.
Can I pick stuff up?
Do you want to go play Wink Wink
Play what?
Family? Tamper?
Love you guys. Bye.